Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is locating where Google Meet saves recordings and Gemini notes. Google Meet makes it easy for us to record meetings and take notes for those who could not attend. However, finding these artifacts from meetings is a little difficult if you haven't searched for them before. Google Meet saves these files in a special folder on the organizer's Google Drive. Let's look at where to locate your Google Meet recordings and Gemini notes. Open Google Chrome and go to Google Drive. If it doesn't default to My Drive, select it in the navigation menu to the left. You will see a folder that is named either Meet Recordings or Meet Notes. In this example, it is Meet Recordings. Select the folder by double-clicking on it. In the folder, you will see all the recordings and notes that were saved for meetings that you were the organizer. You can now go in and edit, modify, share, and delete these artifacts from past meetings. Another area to find these artifacts is in the meeting invite. To get to this, open your calendar, find the date that the meeting took place on. Select the meeting and select either the recording or notes by Gemini. You can then edit or share the notes file only from this location. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.